10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. He's ready for the launch.
Yeah, he's ready to go.
Yes, sir. Oh boy, you got your NASA shirt on?
Hell yeah.
Ready to go. What's up, Jake Paulers? We over here in Port
God.
Just stopped at the supercharger. We got about 40 minutes to charging. Some guys weeding over here. So, we're getting it started.
Good start of the day, boy.
I'm going to the Cape.
I don't know where we are. We're in the middle of nowhere. There's the superchargers way over there. And we're just out here in the middle of nowhere.
It's a Chuck E. Cheese though.
Oh hey, look at there, boy.
Anonymous millionaire wants to set up real-life battle royale on private island. So this actually...
So he's talking about people he wants to find.
About the song One Shining Moment. It's a song about the NCAA division moment, and they...
It's a video.
My night.
Or we going?
Yes, sir.
Might not see them all.
Good.
See ya.
We made it. We got to the beach. 8:04. We got about, let's see here, 10 hours and 30 minutes till launch. Watch out, what? Walking down to the barrier down there, the fence line. It's gonna be around like 3.2 miles from the launch, so mega close.
There's our launch site right there, boy. As it is.
Not a lot of people know this. This piece of styrofoam actually from Space Shuttle. Space Shuttle was made out of just strictly styrofoam. Made it really light.
Oh, I get it. I understand now.
So we walked up there. It's now like 11 o'clock. We walked up there at 8. The rocket was laying horizontal and they're gonna rise it up. We watched them rise it up. We got some cool stills right here. And we didn't really take much video of it, but I got a time lapse and we got it coming up. So we got pushed back to around, let's see, I think they said 8 o'clock. And hopefully it'll still launch.
But we're just gonna chill out, set up a little camp, and we'll see what you do.
Definitely from a rocket.
Yeah, I think so.
That thing is definitely a tank from a rocket.
That's what I was thinking. I wonder if it like blew up and washed ashore.
Tank from a rocket.
gosh, whatever. We're probably just gonna sit here for a little bit longer and then head on back out. Stop smacking. Oh my gosh.
Look at this camper, dude. Like, I'm full. You can always camp in the Tez if you need to. Anybody who's down and out, they got fired from their job or something, hit me up. I got a 1-bedroom here for $50 a month. I'll let you rent it out.
Yeah,
So
so
you have to go everywhere I go because I still need my car.
so how would that work? I don't know. Alrighty, boys. We'll get back to you once anything happens.
And girls.
It's a general term. We're going.
Oh, okay. Alright, let me show you guys. Alright, so when you come out here for, we're gonna be out here for at least 12 hours. You gotta pack the bag. Everybody's got the bag, alright? First you gotta get your propane, alright? Then you need a stove. Head over to REI, you pick you up a good stove. This is a big stove. You don't need this big of a stove, but the reason I got a big stove is because, you guessed it, big pot.
Woo!
Big pot, alright? Grab you some water, alright? Then you're gonna dump the water in there, you boil it. We'll have that coming soon, alright? Beef stew. Yeah, that's right. You hear that? Delicious beef stew.
Freeze-dried beef
Or
stew.
you say, not really much of a beef stew guy. Well,
What else you got in there? Open up that pack.
noodles and chicken. Can't go wrong with noodles and chicken. Pick you up some dulce de leche wafers by Goya. Okay? And then, or my favorite from the Australians, Tim Tams. Tim Tams are delicious.
Well, let me get a zoom in on them Tim Tams.
What's going on, everybody? PJ from PJ Productions here. Pace, Jake.
This is the P.
Jake Pace. P and J. Alright,
Peace
anyways,
to J.
we're starting up a new cooking show. As you saw, we got some sneaky snacks. Now, we'll teach you guys how to cook these things, because not a lot of people know how to cook them.
You're not a beefy boy?
Oh, God.
Go find the sun.
Alright, so we need about 2 cups of water. And that's going to be 0.473 liters.
Just pour the water in the thing. Let's go.
Let's see. And there's little things on here, so I'm going to go under half a full. I'll pour it on the phone.
Oh, it's getting on your face.
Alright. 1.47557. Alright, then you want to go take your lighter. The lighter that you do not smoke weed with. And you're going to give you a little gas. Alright, yeah, she's on. She's on.
Did it make that noise?
It's probably fine. Then you go put your lid on because, you know, helps it heat up a little more. Oh, that's hot. Alright, so
I'm scared.
we'll be back whenever this stuff is bubbling. Well, that took all of 2 minutes. We cut the feed thinking it was going to take a long time, but it's a pretty serious flame. God. While we're waiting on this, you want to share a personal anecdote?
One time, I went over to Jake's house and we were riding scooters through his little neighborhood, and I was young and hadn't really hung out with him, and it started to rain. So he starts biking home super quickly, like, oh, there's gonna be thunder, and he leaves me in the scooter.
Got no time for these betas.
He leaves me in the scooter, and I'm just standing underneath a tree in the pouring rain with lightning striking all around me, all of that, and just sitting there just terrified. And he just left me. So that's a fun little story.
Yeah.
Fun little story.
Good friends leave other friends behind.
His grandma had to take me home, so
She gives you a good little bit of that.
that might be too close. That's way too close.
No, that's perfect. So then all you're going to do, you don't even have to pour this out. Just take this.
That might be hot, Jake. You might want to set it down.
And then
You're about to pour boiling water on your hand.
and then you just pour it in there.
Where did you put the forks?
Alright, so about 4 minutes. Let it stand for about 4 minutes and shake it around again. It's not delicious, but you know, there you
It
go.
looks like chicken noodle soup.
It's chicken noodle soup.
Looks like canned chicken noodle soup. I don't think it's steaming.
Ah!
It's on your face.
Tastes like mama's chicken noodle soup.
Oh, hey.
I was about to crack open these dulce wafers when I noticed they already got a little tear in them. So I don't know if that's from us or what, but
And nothing we had was that sharp.
just time lapse this. Open here. Boy, was that easy.
They smell good.
For those of you who've never eaten a wafer, you gotta ash them. Alright. You see all that? That's ash. Not bad. Hey, that's a guy. Hey!
You want a wafer?
We recording?
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? We're, what time is it?
It's like
3:13. Been in the car for, what now, 3 hours?
Yep. Well, we've been in and out. It's rained a couple times. The sun is blaring. So.
In that time, I ate the whole bag of,
he ate all the wafers.
Dulce de leche wafers.
All of them. I only had one. He had the rest of them.
And, gotta say,
if Dolce's listening to this,
hey, we got a spot for you in the podcast, Dulce. Next up on deck, I'm gonna eat this whole thing of Tim Tams.
I don't know about that. I don't think he is. Maybe you will. I don't know.
So it's currently under 2 hours, 7 o'clock. Launch is pushing to 8:32 now due to these winds, because you probably can't hear me now.
It's probably so windy.
But anyways, I'll make it quick. We got all the cameras set up, chilling with some people. We got an hour and 32 minutes before launch. Hopefully it will launch, but it's 50-50 right now. So we'll see.
Yeah, 50-50, pretty windy, as you can hear. Pretty deadly, I'd say, wind-wise. But hopefully them pushing it back 30 minutes is a little bit better than canceling it altogether. So there's one last chance. I got one last chance to launch. If not, we're not going to see a Falcon Heavy, so.
Well, she got scrubbed about an hour before launch.
I knew it. I couldn't believe that we would actually watch it, and we're not.
Everything went too good to plan.
Yeah.
And then it happened.
We got the spot we wanted. We got the perfect setup. We were talking to some cool dudes, and got scrubbed. Got scrubbed. I mean, it is what it is.
Fortunately, a light in every dark tunnel. Very small.
Very small.
But there's still a light. And that's that Pace's boss, I guess, felt bad for him. He didn't even ask. And
no.
She just texted him like 20 minutes ago and said, hey, if you want to take tomorrow off, you can. So
she felt so bad and pitied me so much. She offered a day off of work just so we could do it again.
We try it again tomorrow.
And we're doing it. So we're heading back tomorrow. We're going to be leaving a little later because I don't think we needed to leave that early. But we're going to be out there on the beach and for another 12 or so hours. So we're going to be spraying up.
We'll be back.
We'll be back for the rest of the shoot. Hopefully it'll be a better day tomorrow.
See y'all tomorrow. Day 2, the sun is unbearable. I got my nose sunburn, my neck thing, whatever you want to call it. I really want to see this rocket launch. We've been out here for almost 24 hours now, if you think about the whole thing. I just want to launch. Got a cameras all set up, down the range there. Hopefully. 10 seconds.
All right. There it goes, it's launching! Oh my god!
Go.
Look how bright that is! Oh.
Go, baby.
Oh.
Here comes.
Oh my god!
Let's go!
It's so bright! Oh my god! There's fucking heavy! god. Oh my god.
Three words. Oh my god, that was the coolest thing ever. And by 3 words, I mean, oh my god, not that was the coolest thing ever. That was awesome. I mean, it was so loud, so bright, 3 times the power of a Falcon 9. It was crazy.
Honestly incredible. That spot on Playalinda Beach is a must go to.
10 out
If
of 10
you've never watched a rocket launch there, then you need to watch one at Playalinda Beach, like right down there where we were.
The boosters coming back down.
Beautiful. Beaut.
But
I mean, you could clearly see, like, even before most of the shots you can see they're just like a little point of light, but you could actually see, like, the Falcon 9's little side boosters in their full glory, just floating there before the burns. So it's pretty incredible.
I mean, after yesterday, which was a sad day, and driving home, just
disappointment. Absolute disappointment.
Getting that text, hey man, you wanna stay the next day? Dang right, we wanna stay. And then
we're not gonna miss nothing.
We finally get to see it. It was all worth the 24 hours.
Definitely all worth it. Now we did get a couple sunburns and a little bit of bug bites from all the sand nets, but definitely worth it to see it in the end. We haven't seen the actual live stream yet, so we haven't seen anything when it comes to that. But we're probably gonna watch it on the way home and see what we didn't see because what we saw was on point.
Top. Well, I got a couple things to say before we end it. First off, I want to thank Steve for letting us use his footage. He was the one where it's really close up. He had a super good lens, incredible shot.
Yeah.
Thanks, Steve. The picture right here of the one that he used. And also, I want to say, go listen to the podcast. I mean, that's what we're doing this for. We're promoting the podcast. Clearly Future on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, soon to be Android. Who knows? And subscribe. Listen to it every Monday. Bringing tech down to earth for everyone.
Yeah.
So, you got anything else to say to close it out?
All I gotta say is, thanks to SpaceX. Thanks for creating.
Thank you, Elon.
Thanks, Elon, for making the most powerful rocket today. And go check out the podcast. We'll see you guys.
See you guys.